Hey guys, it's Holly, and it's currently 2:46-ish on Black Friday. Yeah, so I'm gonna start getting ready pretty soon and by ready I mean gluing my eyelashes back on or gluing them on tighter and fixing my eyeliner, and then going down and having a light snack because yesterday was Thanksgiving and I was stuffed like a turkey. I'm sorry. I'm hoping to have a few things to show for like a little haul at the end of this video. I'm gonna try to show the crowds, if there are many crowds. There probably will be, I think. Just basically document my experience because I feel like it'd be kind of interesting. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, anyway, sorry, I hate that I just did that. This is gonna be a bad angle, but I have you right underneath my mirror so my phone can charge. Yeah, so this is just, me doing my makeup. So I gotta take off my Lily Lashes Miami. I love these eyelashes. I'm gonna glue them back on, freshen up my eyeliner, probably powder my face a little bit. So, oh, rat warning. Okay, time to redo this eyelash. Oh, I hate that noise. We're gonna freshen up the mascara. I mean, the entire freaking county is all at one place, so gotta look cute. I don't bronze every day, but when I do bronze, it's not cute. That scared me. Gotta pretend that you have a jawline when you really don't. Is it there? No, it's not. Okay, anyway. Gotta warm up our non-existent forehead and make it look even smaller. Okay, we're just gonna... Okay, and... I always like to put some on my nose because my nose, it's cute, sure, but there's some people's noses that they're screwed up in a cute way. You always gotta make sure your highlighting brush is clean. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, which I've completely polyionized. I'm gonna use the shade Luna. Like, this is a freaking makeup tutorial. If you put some under your nose, it makes your nose look smaller. Just saying. I read that online. I actually don't know if it's true, but I always like to put a little under my nose. I think this brush was dirty. Oh well. And I never put it all the way down my nose. Actually, I will put it all the way down my nose. And some on our Cupid's bow. I put a little on my chin, not much. Inner eyes. Gotta make those inner eyes pop. We're gonna highlight brown bone. These bushes are a lot to deal with sometimes, but I also don't want to shave them off because I like them a little, but I feel like they make my face worse and better. It's just it's fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. So I don't have setting spray, which is something I hope to get today. So I'm gonna use my Fix Plus again. I really don't know what it does, but some people swear by it, so I bought some. I bought some a while ago, obviously. So I'm gonna cut to me doing something. I'll see you guys in the next one. I think this is what we're gonna be dealing with today. Okay, one more shot of my outfit because I'm super proud, the proud mother. Okay, I'm done. Alright, so I'm in my kitchen. I'm staying quiet because I think half my family's still asleep. Starting off my morning with a kombucha shot. I have my water to trace it down with because this stuff is nasty. Oh wait. Okay. These are nasty, but I really think they work, so. Okay, so my breakfast is gonna be 1 egg scrambled. Yeah, and I'm gonna have a chai latte. I don't like chai lattes, but oh wow. Oh wait, hold on. You're welcome. Okay. Got our egg. There we go. And the yolk is perfectly intact. I am open to cooking with quality. Hi, and welcome to breakfast with me. This is my 1 scrambled egg. Gotta love your salt. I'll be back.
How would you like to have a large portion of your credit
Sorry,
card
this thing?
medical bills and department store debt
What?
forgiven?
Looking for time?
Yeah, the time.
Give you free information.
Because it's so early.
Forgiveness program.
It's so cold. Family Black Friday trip. Who's excited?
It's 38 degrees. It's how many degrees?
38. But it's not that cold.
I'm not cold. It's a warm 38.
Who's excited?
Oh,
Stop. On me. The rat.
Alright, let's choose another lane.
Or rats. We travel in a pack.
The cat's killing me.
Well, cats do kill rats. You look high.
That would make this a lot more fun.
Ooh, she's stealing.
Coincidentally, it was the security guard that triggered the security alarm.
When I got the whole thing on video. Hey, rats, stick together, bro.
Handle.
Angel, how do you feel?
I feel
Disappointed?
like I'm dying
Yeah.
from cat allergies.
Say it again.
I'm dying from cat allergies.
Dad, how do you feel?
Feel great.
Like, up there, they're still looking at stupid jackets. I'm about to leave them.
You're about to lose it?
I'm about to leave you.
Okay, feel free.
Alright, that's a
You guys have been looking at jackets for too long.
It's been like 20 minutes. Calm down.
In one spot.
And you've been cursing in B word
no.
for like 21 minutes.
Name one curse word, I said.
Every word out your mouth.
No, none. 0, zilch. Hush it.
Reason to make you say curse word and knock your phone clear across the store.
You paid for it.
Oh, you found one with a broken zipper?
No.
Okay.
Oh
my God. Quit primping and just put on the dang jacket.
I love our family experiences. It makes me so joyful.
All right. So you happy?
Well, that's the face of a happy lady. That's not stoned. Oh my God.
Oh.
Don't want to get demonetized.
We looked at the price tag and a mini stroke. And she keeps looking at the expensive jackets.
Michael Kors,
No,
though,
it's a
right?
Macy's, but it's $60.
Ooh. Now that's a happy
Oh, it just
man.
got snaps on it.
Shh, it's cheaper. Oh my God.
This one doesn't have a snap.
Just take one, please. Oh my God. I am not a happy
The only
lady.
thing I'd worry about one of these things is how easy they would rip.
It would rip. As soon as my cat got a hold of it.
Oh yeah,
He'd
the
just
cat would go kneading on it and then...
I am not a happy mother goose. I'm a very unhappy mother goose. How do you feel, Grandpa Goose?
I feel like I need to shave.
No. Hey, Sister Goose.
Yes.
How do you feel?
I feel great.
I do not. I very much do not feel great. I think I'm about to yeet them off this building.
Nope.
Finally came to a verdict.
bought a vest. Love, how do you feel?
Are you asking me or yourself?
I said bub. That's you.
I feel $40 poor.
Well, how do you feel? That's how I feel. Well, a baboon looking for an ugly cover for the couch. I'm looking at something practical like sheets. Because we're not messing around here. They're annoying to shop with. And I left. I'm fed up.
And we've basically come out with virtually, well, you got yours.
I got a ring, so
Yeah.
I'm totally fine.
Like I wasted all my time. It's wasted.
So rude.
But not so much money. That's good.
Yeah, all your money was wasted on Angela and her vest.
I don't know. Sticker girl. Bracelet girl.
19 versus 40.
Hello.
How was Black Friday shopping, guys?
So far, so good. You guys will only set me back about 100 and change.
That was Angela. Not true. I only got my jacket was only what?
Well, ours was 65, and then your jacket was
It was 40.
40-ish.
What do we want to do now? Avenues? PetSmart! We're not going to freaking
We're
PetSmart.
not going to PetSmart. That's just not worth it.
They don't have any Black Friday.
Couch covers.
No, I'm scratching my nose. Don't do that.
Oh, you're not turning there. You gotta go.
I haven't slept a wink.
I'm about to run the hell out of this mic. Yep, you're in the hell out of it.
It's legal to enter in New Zealand.
What's that? Hours without sleep. I'm taking a nap. I'll be back. So the last clip you just saw was probably, I think, 11:30ish, and that was me 24 hours not sleeping. I've gone longer, but I was exhausted. I checked while I was at the mall, and I had already walked 2.6 miles on no sleep, so I was exhausted. I got two things. Not really getting a Black Friday like deal. Nothing too exciting, but I'm pretty excited about some things. So, the first thing that I got, I think it was the first. Anyway, I think it might have been the second. Not quite sure. Anyway, I got this little baby's first Christmas thing, and I'm gonna put Luna, which is my cat's little paw print, in the middle. But the great thing about this is like, it says no mess, so his paw is not going to touch the ink, right? So there's no like harm in that, because it's just, I'm not quite sure how it works. It's magic, but I don't have to put his paw in the ink, so that's great, because I don't have to worry about him being allergic to the ink or anything. And then I went to Target and I got something that I have literally been needing. It's just been it's needed, okay? So the current memory card I have for my camera is 4 gigabytes, so I can only record 30 minutes of video at a time, which has sucked. I've had to, last night I was recording a bunch of videos. I was in the mood to record some, and I could only record 30 minutes at a time. When it's not fun, I had to take out my SD card, plug it into my computer, take off all the stuff, delete it off my thing, and then continue with the video that I was in the middle of filming. Wasn't fun, so I got a 32 gigabyte SD card, which holds 198 minutes, which is over 3 hours of video, which I'm very excited about. Yeah, so let's cut this open. Okay. We're gonna open this up. Now I've got my new SD card. Super excited. I should probably keep the case. And my camera, which has been charging all while I was gone. Okay. Let's see. Is it gonna say how many hours I have? Well, I guess I don't even have to worry about it until I start running out. So that is now, I don't even have to worry about the whole, okay, well, either way, I'm happy with my new SD card. I'm hoping to get a new camera soon, but now this one will do. Yeah, I think I said earlier in the video, I'm recording on my phone so that I could record in the mall and not have to carry around this thing, which isn't very discreet because I have to have the little viewfinder out for the camera to work. I can't just like, so that was my Black Friday experience. There was literally not really many people early in the morning. I thought like there was gonna be crazy lines, but no. There was probably like 100 people at the mall, just all together. Pretty disappointing. There wasn't any big deals, so yeah. That was my Black Friday experience. Pretty dull, pretty boring. I cannot wait to put a little paw print in here and hang this on the Christmas tree. Yeah. So, this is just so cute. This was $8. Oh, I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, if I didn't say that. Bed Bath & Beyond, I got my SD card from Target, but it wasn't even on sale. The SD card wasn't on sale, and I had to wait in a line because it was probably around 9 or 10 o'clock that I was at Target. So I paid full price, and I had to wait in a long line to buy one thing. So yeah, and this line wasn't too bad. But anyway, that was my Black Friday experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you want to see more vlogs, give this video a thumbs up, or if you just found this entertaining in any way. Yeah, comment down below some video suggestions, or you could comment down below if you've ever had like a crazy Black Friday experience. And I will see you guys in my next, I'll see you guys in my next video.